Right. We continue with the remaining commands. So next is less. Less is a command to display the file in a separate window. This file name, maybe file 3. So it is here you can able to search a particular term you want to search. You can able to search it here, and if you press Q, it will come back to the normal command line. Okay. So next, here we have some options like ls-c. If I give -c, it will remove the unused lines, that is empty space. It will remove and displays like this. Then if I want to display from the line, okay, I can give like a +5, so it will display from fifth line. Then you have a command like head, tail, and more. To explain that, I need a lengthy file, so I open file 3, copy these lines, paste it thrice. Now head and 3, so it will defaultly print top 10 lines. Okay, if I want to display with more lines, with the help of this option -20, it will display. Okay. In the same way, we have tail also. Tail will display last 10 lines defaultly. If I want to increase the lines to display, I can do some n values. Okay, it will display last 20 lines. Then more file name to give to display from the starting. If you want to increase the visibility, you just type enter, it will move forward. Okay, to quit, press Q. So here we have option like more. I give -5, display from the so if I give -5, it display the 5 lines. Then by pressing enter, it will move forward. I give +5 or +10, it will print from 10th line. Okay. So that is the use of that options. Here these commands are useful to see or to analyze the lengthy files. Okay. You can able to see, want to see a particular portion, you can, without opening the file, you can able to see here. Okay. Then to clear this, I am using clear keyword, a clear command. So I can able to alias that clear to a specific variable. Okay, here alias C equal to clear. I am assigning clear to C. Now if I press C, it will do the clear operation. To remove that, I have to use unalias C. It is removed. If you press C, it won't clear. I assign clear as C. So instead of typing clear, if I press C, it will do the clear operation. So based on the cell, this command will be very. If you Linux, you have to give alias C space clear to remove that unalias C equal to clear, like this you have to use. Okay, then next we are going to say about file permissions. I already explained ls is used to list the files. So ls-l will print uh, with the permission detail. Okay. Here we have three permissions. One is read permission, W for write, and X is for executable permission. Here we have three categories, like this is for user, it's for me, and this is for my group, and this is for others. Can able to control the permission levels for each files and folders. If it is a directory, it will display with this D. Okay. So I am changing the permission level. Chmod command is used for that. 777 file name. For file 3, I am changing the permission level. 7 we are representing as 111 in binary. So first one is for read permission, second one is for write, and third one is for executable. So if I mention 777, all permission is given for the user, for my group, and for others. Okay. ls-s-l, see, all permissions are given to this file tree. If I want to change with help of chmod, you can able to change. If I give 750 for file 3, meaning is that I am giving all permission for me, and read and executable permission for my group, and I didn't give any permission for others. Okay. Right. Then we see a few basic commands, like to see the date, you can type date, date and time, and ps is a command that will give the present process running in this OS. That is, it will display this ID. Each process process ID, it will display with this ID. Okay. So when any situation, hanging situation happens, or if tool or some command is continuously running, means to suspend that, you need to press Control Z. If you type Control Z, it will suspend and it will come back to this command line. Okay, here you can type kill. Okay, you have to, which process you need to stop, that process ID you have to give here. So that process will be killed. Then if you want to see who's the user, you have my user command. So it will, you can use a name. And if you want to see, if it is a server, if you want to see who are all working in the server, with the who command you can able to see those people. And du -sh is used to see the size of the file and the directory. I want to see the size of the folder directory. It is 1K. I want to see how many lines, how many words, and how many characters are there in a specific file. So for that, wc command is there. Wc file name. It will give all details. First one indicates line. This is the word count, and this is the characters. Okay. If we want to see specifically, we can do the options like L is for line, and C is for character, W is for word. And file. 76 lines are there. Then see the next commands. Like these are the important commands we are using will be helpful to grab a particular keyword from a file. Okay. So fgrep is a command. Here I want to search a particular string, particular key term, okay, from a specific file. Okay, you can use fgrep. That I want to search for assign keyword. Okay. That then which file I need to search, and do the file. So inside file 3.p, grep the assign word. So here we have options like -n. It will display with line number where this assign c equal to a and b is there in the file. Okay, it will display along with the line number. I want to display that is not matched with this assign keyword. Okay, you have to use -v. So the remaining lines except that assign, everything will be displayed. Then you want to ignore the case, either it is upper or lower case. You want to just give -i. Of -v, just give -i. So such, either it may be uppercase or a lowercase. You search for this term. Then I need to search a particular file. Okay, there are a lot of files are there, means I want to search a particular type of file or particular file. Can use find command. Let's create a few more files here. One, it is a Verilog file. File 2 is a SV file. And file 2 is there already. File 4, Verilog file. And file 5 is a Verilog file. I created multiple files. Now I want to search, assume that there are a lot of files. I want to search a particular file. Means you can give a file name, it will give that file. I want to search file 3. Search for it. Okay, if I want to search SV file, okay, so there are a lot of files are there. I want to search only system Verilog files. So you can give star here. Star indicates that anything, okay, .sp. Any files with sp extension it will find, okay, and it will display the result. Here I have only one file with sp, so it gives file to .sp. Then this one also used to search from any location, and you can able to search files and as well as folders. Okay, find, if I type from home, it will search from home. Okay. So want to search from home, /home /admin. From inside admin, everywhere it will search. Okay. So -type is used to mention it, whether we are going to search for a directory or a file. If it's a D, it is a directory. If it is a F, it is a file. -name. So which name I am going to find? I am going to find for a folder or a folder one. It will search from home, from where I need to search. Okay, for that you need to give the path from where I need to search. Then what is the type I'm going to search, whether it is a directory or file you need to do, and what is the name of that file or folder. You have to mention with -name. So there are two fold one. So it search and it gives with the path. Okay. So if I want to search from where is my location? I am inside Linux practice. I want to search from Linux practice. So we can give like this: find dot. Okay, dot indicate that it's the current directory. Okay. So from here it is searching and it is displaying where it is for where is the folder one. In the same way, we want to search for a file. Type f -name file 490. There are two file fours. One is inside folder one, other one is here. So in the same way, we have locate. So locate works faster than find, and it will give the whole path. So there we no need to give the location from where we have to search. Just type locate and file name, it will automatically search. That you can choose for finding the directory as well as files. Then next command is sort. File 3. Okay. It will sort the lines which is present inside the file 3 in alphabet order. Okay. Then unique. Okay. So I'll create another file. Edited this one. Copy this one file 3 as a new file. Now in new file, I just edited a modification. Pick this line, paste it here. That's the change I did in new file. I copied, assign some line, and again I paste it there. Now I am checking with the help of unique keyword. So here all the lines are getting displayed. So this is lengthy line. So I will take some small code so that you can understand clearly. paste it here. Sum equal to A XOR B. Now I check with unique keyword command. So you see here actually in the file update add a file, this assign S equal to A XOR B is repeated. One is original, another one is a duplicate line. Okay. So when you give unique, it will only display the unique lines. If it is a duplicated, it will not print. Okay. We have some option with unique. -u, it will only display the unique lines. If some other lines are repeated, it will not display those lines. So see here, assign S equal to A XOR B is not displaying because there are two lines as assign S equal to A XOR B. So when you give with a -u, it will not display the repeated lines. Only it will display the unique lines. And option like D, -D, it will just display the duplicate lines. Okay. This one is repeated twice, so it is displaying the duplicate line. And C, so it will tell the count number of times each line occur. So this happens once, but this line happens twice in the code. So this is represented here. So, in case this line not happen here, okay, it is happening somewhere. Now I remove this one and I paste it here. Here assign S equal to XOR B, and it is happening in the fourth line, and sixth line the same thing is there. Okay. It is like this. If you give unique command, you can't able to find out. Let's see here, it's showing everything as one. Okay. How we can overcome this? With the help of combining two commands, we can able to do that. Okay. Short. So for that we are using a pipe operator. Okay. So pipe is as like pipelining. So two things happen at the same time. Okay. See here, short. I am doing shorting for file. Which type? This update update header dot p, and this is the pipe symbol. Okay. Then unique hyphen c. So what I am doing here, I am sorting update header dot p. So based on the alphabet order, it will arrange it. Okay. Then at the same time, I am applying unique command. So you can able to find it now. Okay. This line will arrange in alphabet order, so it will happen consequently. So now we can able to recognize if there is a duplicate line is present, so it will take the count and it will display as a 2. Then we have T command. So it send the output in two direction at the same time. TEE is a command. It send the output in two direction at the same time. Okay, you see an example for this. S hyphen L. If I give like this, it will display all the reports here. Okay. So I want to display the reports here, and as well as I want to save this in a separate file. Okay. So I'm using with this command ls-l with the help of pipe operator t command report. This is the file name report. So what I am doing, I want to display these things here with the help of ls-l. It will display here, and also the same time with the help of pipe. That means at the same time t command is used to send the output in two directions at the same time. One is displaying here, another one is it is sending to the report. Okay, so if I do this command, okay, if you see the file is there. Okay, if you open that, inside that this report is stored. Okay. Now if I want to append anything further inside this report file, means option -a. Otherwise it will replace. Again, if I run the command, it will replace the existing one. If I give -a, okay, it will append the newly one. See here, it is displayed here, and I'm display which is present inside the directory, so inside the file report. This is already existing one. Okay, now additionally this is added. Okay. So with the help of -a, this capture. Okay, next we're going to see compare. I want to compare two files. Okay, CMP, one is half adder, another one is this updated update adder. Okay. So you can CMP command is used to compare these two files. If there is any changes, it will display line number 4. There is a difference between these files. If there is no difference, there is no response. That is, it will give output 0. If any difference is there, it will give the differences here. Line number 4 is we have a difference. There we add additional line, right? S equal to X and B, we copied and we pasted. Okay. Then we have a diff keyword to identify the difference between two files. This is half adder and this is subject adder. This line is the difference. If we compare these two files, so this line I added additionally, so it will give that line. So if we give yes diff, point out that line. Two files are displayed here, and it will point out where this additionally which line is there. So with the help of this one, and we have vim diff file 1 is half adder.p update adder.p. If you give this command, two files are open in a separate window, a vertical window, and you can able to see the difference. So what are all the things additionally you have that will mention in the highlighted with the red color. So what are all not present, that is highlighted with the blue color. Okay, in Sigin it is not working. So in the next it will work. Okay. Then okay, if you want to open any new terminal, so it is a terminal. I am working with a terminal. want to open a new terminal, gnome open terminal, we can do, okay. Or based on the shell, it may vary. Here I am giving Alt F2. If you give Alt F2, a new terminal will be open. So this is the new terminal. Here you can type it. If you open multiple terminal, it will be using one terminal we can use with the tool. Another terminal you can open the code, and if you want to modify, you can modify the codes. Okay. So to exit, quit this terminal, type exit. Terminal will be closed. Okay, then there is a man command. So here it will help to know details about each command. Okay, man ls means it will give the detail about this ls command. You work with Linux man, you can give any command here. So it will give the details about that commands, what are that description, and what are all options available with that command. So everything is there. With the help of man command, you can able to learn in depth. Okay. So these are all the major commands we are working with. Still, lot of commands are there. Okay, that if you work with Linux, you come to know those commands. Okay, thanks.